We just want to welcome everybody. This is Rotary HEMI Breakthrough. We're just going to touch base on a few things. What you're looking at right now is a Rotary HEMI Wankel engine. Okay. All right. We're always going to be going this direction with this model. On a Wankel engine, the biggest thing, the improvement of it is 270 degrees every cycle of the four cycles of a rotary engine is 270 degrees. But unfortunately, it has not experienced this full potential of 270 degrees. So when you have intake here and you want to compress all of that to here, you should have no interruption on the E shaft of 270 degrees. The problem with the Wankel is, as this compresses, here we go, it gets in this position, the leading plug hole, and this chamber is on the emptying of the power stroke, and this chamber over here just pushed the exhaust out. This air, fuel, and compression has just leaked half of it into an empty power stroke. So all we're getting is 135 degrees. So basically it's going from a 10-to-1 compression motor to a 5-to-1 compression motor. Okay, now when I talk about indexing a rotary engine, what I want you to do is take your leading plug hole out of any Wankel rotary engine and line up the apex seal with the leading plug hole. Okay, and then every revolution you would get another apex in this plug hole. Okay, when you index it, you mark the crankshaft where the apex is in the leading plug hole. Then you reinstall the plugs, and with the exhaust open and everything, you would rotate this engine by hand, and you would actually hear thunk every time it gets in the apex position. Bottom line is, we should not be hearing anything. You should feel 270 degrees of compression. Here is a small Wankel Lawnmower from 1970. It's from Germany. Same thing. This motor is indexed. When I get in this position here, the apex seal is in the plug hole. If you listen, you hear the internal compression leaking inside the engine. Now I'm going to take the plug out of it. This one only has one plug. Now you're going to hear compression. Every time I get down there, it's compression. That's if you're taking compression. But you can see that the compression is right there at the plug hole. And you should not hear anything. You can do this to an RX-8 motor, an RX-7 motor, and you will hear, every revolution you will hear internal leakage. And it's coming out of the exhaust, but it's actually, you're hearing the inside of the engine leaking. Bottom line is, we should feel 270 degrees of non-stop compression. This is offset compression. If you're just thinking about compression, not running the motor, nothing, just compression being offset, this compression is going to turn the engine in the direction it wants to go. This engine always has a moving combustion chamber. Okay? The way Mazda has set it up all these years is this way. When you ignite this, you are hitting a hula hoop effect straight into you're like hitting it right into a concrete wall. This is why the combustion is vibrating, and the vibrations keep going. And those vibrations is what's causing these apex seals to vibrate or smash the housing. Okay? As soon as you do this offset compression, okay, the engine actually gets quieter on the sound of the engine because it's actually getting rid of the vibrations caused by the old combustion chamber. Okay, and the way you want to ignite this one is over here. These two plugs are going to ignite this over here offset. And actually the vibrations for the apex seals go away. This has been a problem all along for a rotary engine, is apex seals vibrating and chattering and vibration. So these are great ideas. You get 3 complete revolutions out of a complete cycle of a Wankel engine. This is a great advantage. These are a few things we wanted to touch base with you on, and we thank you for visiting Rotary HEMI Breakthrough by Ernie Brink. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.